5 toxic habits that quietly keep you poor, but feel comfortable. Most people don't wake up and say, "I want to be broke," but they do wake up and repeat habits that guarantee they'll stay that way. And the worst part, these habits feel safe. They feel normal. They even feel comfortable. But over time, they destroy your finances, quietly, slowly, permanently. So in this video, let's talk about 5 toxic money habits that feel harmless, but keep you poor without even realizing it. And at the end, I'll ask you a hard question. One that might just shift your entire financial future. Let's begin. Habit 1. You spend emotionally, not intentionally. You had a rough day, so you treat yourself. One latte here, a little shopping therapy there, streaming subscriptions you forgot you had, dinner out because you deserve it. Sounds familiar? That's emotional spending. It doesn't feel dangerous in the moment, but it adds up fast. And here's the scary part. You're not spending money, you're spending peace. You're trading long-term security for a 15-minute dopamine hit. Wealthy people feel the same emotions, but instead of spending, they sit with the discomfort, and they redirect it, they invest it. They use the emotion without being used by it. Next time you're about to tap your card to feel better, ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it, or because I'm avoiding something else? Comment below if you've done this without thinking. Awareness is where wealth begins. Habit 2. You delay investing until you're ready. Let's be honest, no one feels ready to invest. There's always something in the way. Not enough money, not enough knowledge, not enough confidence. So you wait, and you wait, and you wait, until years go by and you're still on the sidelines. But here's the truth. Wealthy people didn't start because they were ready. They got ready because they started. They began with small amounts, while scared, while unsure, while learning. The best time to plant a financial tree? Yesterday. The second best time? Today. Agree or disagree? Drop your thoughts below. Habit 3. You fear looking broke more than being broke. This one hurts. Most people stay poor because they're too busy pretending they're not. The lease, the outfit, the upgrades, all for strangers online. But wealthy people, they move different. They drive used cars. They wear simple watches. They live invisible. Because they don't care about impressing others. They care about building freedom. Ask yourself, are you chasing freedom or attention? Tag someone who needs to hear this. Habit 4. You never track where your money goes. You ask every month, where did all my money go? But you never actually check. No budget, no tracker, no plan. Let me tell you this, if you don't track your money will never grow. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's power. It's telling your money where to go before it disappears. Wealthy people track, poor people guess. Which one are you? Start simple, one Google sheet. Track what comes in, what goes out, and what you keep. Do it for 30 days, you'll never go back. Comment tracker if you're ready to start or already do this. Habit 5. You repeat old patterns without question. My parents didn't invest. No one taught me about money. I've always lived paycheck to paycheck. Sound familiar? We all inherit money habits. But here's the truth. What you were taught is not your fault, but what you continue to follow is. Wealth starts the moment you take ownership. Not perfection, not knowledge, ownership. You don't need a finance degree. You need self-awareness, discipline, and a decision to break the cycle. This is your moment. To be the first in your family, to save, to invest, to grow. Because if not you, then who? Comment, cycle ends with me, if you're breaking your financial past. These 5 habits feel easy. They feel normal, but they quietly trap you in the same place, year after year. Want wealth? Then let go of comfort, because comfort keeps you broke. Clarity builds freedom. You don't need to fix everything at once. Start with one habit. Just one. If you're serious about changing this, say it out loud. It ends with me. Tag a friend who needs to hear this. Follow for daily money truths no one's teaching in school. And before you scroll, let me leave you with one final question. If nothing changes in your money habits, will you be okay being stuck in the same place 5 years from now? This is Growth Dose. No fluff, just the truth.